In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively overlay images using Google Slides. Whether you're working on a presentation for school, a project for work, or simply want to create something visually stunning, knowing how to overlay images can really enhance your slides. Let's dive in. To start, you'll want to open Google Slides. If you're unsure how to access it, just head to the Google homepage, click on the grid icon in the top right corner, and select Slides from the drop-down menu. Once you're in, create a new presentation or open an existing one where you'd like to overlay images. With your presentation ready, click on Insert in the top menu. From the drop-down, choose Image. You have several options here. You can upload from your computer, search the web, or choose an image from your Google Drive or Photos. Select the image you want to add first. Now that your first image is inserted onto the slide, you can adjust its size by clicking on it and using the blue squares at the corners to resize it. Position the image by clicking and dragging it to your desired location on the slide. Great! Now it's time to add the second image you want to overlay. Repeat the same process. Go to Insert and then Image, choose your source, and add the image to the slide. Again, adjust its size and position it so that it overlays with the first image in the way you want it. To make the overlay more visually appealing, you might want to experiment with transparency. Click on the image you want to adjust, then hit Format Options in the toolbar above. In the Format Options panel that appears on the right, click on Adjustments. Here you can play with the transparency slider to see how it affects the overlay. Increasing transparency can create a nice blending effect that can make your images stand out. If you want to reorder your images for a perfect overlay, simply right-click the image and choose Order. You can bring it to the front, send it to the back, or move it forward or backward one layer at a time until it looks just right. And there you have it. Your images are now successfully overlaid. As a quick tip, remember that practicing layering with different images can help you get a feel for how different elements work together and impact your slide's overall look. Don't forget to save your work regularly by hitting File and then Save, just to be on the safe side. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to overlay images in Google Slides. Stay creative and keep exploring all the options Google Slides has to offer. See you next time.